everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maggie. Today I've got my exciting March savings challenge video here. So I'm doing a monthly savings challenge. Each month I have a couple of different challenges to start today, which I'm really excited about. So let's go ahead and count the money and dive on in. So this is what I have today for the various savings challenges. So to give it a quick count, we've got 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So $209. So let me just separate this out here. Okay, so the first challenge I have is rollover. So each month I have this beautiful ceramic elephant bank. Her name is Dolores, and I like to be able to feed her. So I have this month $49 in rollover, and these are at the top. They're these like crinkled bills. So I'm just gonna grab these here. So each month I put in $80 in cash in my wallet, 40 for my spending, 40 for my groceries, and my goal is always to have at least $1 left over that I can put into Dolores. So this month I had $49 left over, which is I think maybe the highest ever. So I'm just gonna fold these up and put them on in here. And at the end of the year, I will empty this out. My birthday is at the end of the year. So I'm thinking maybe I will empty Dolores out in December and then be able to give myself a little money to buy myself something, you know, cool, or just what I've been wanting, something like a treat yourself for my birthday. So it's great to be able to just use any rollover money for something fun at the end of the year. And it definitely helps motivate me to want to have, you know, a few extra dollars left in my wallet and not spend it all. So, and I might just have to shake it up to make more room there. But there we are, $49 added in to Dolores. I'm not keeping track of any totals. So it'll be fun to unstuff her at the end of the year. And this is a nice one because it has like a silicone stopper at the bottom, so I can easily kind of pull the money out without breaking her or anything. So that is the rollover challenge with Dolores. I'm going to set her off to the side now. Okay, so next I have, this is a recipe box that I use to keep all my savings challenges in. So the first one we're going to do is the 52-week challenge, and I'm just going to pull out the envelopes here. Okay, so I have 4 envelopes here. There are 4 Mondays in March, and that's what I count off of is Mondays. So I've got 4 envelopes, and I chose green to be kind of like on theme with St. Patrick's Day and that kind of thing. So what I'm going to do, this is the first month I'm doing it this way. I'm going to randomize what I put in here. We're going to play kind of a little game. So let me I'm just going to need a pen and paper and then my phone to roll some die. I have an app on here that lets me pick like how many dice I want to roll. So I want to roll 4, 1 for each of the envelope. Okay, so I got a 1, 5, 5, and a 1. So let me write that down. I've got a 1, 5, 5, 1. And I'm going to put my phone to the side here. So what I'm going to do is multiply these numbers by $5. So I didn't want to work with ones and all of that. So for 1, for the first envelope, that would just be 1 times 5 is $5. So that's what I'm going to fold up and put in here. Okay, 5 would be $25. So I've got a 20 and a 5. How exciting. And this, again, we will also open at the end of the year. And this will be money that I have to put towards some goals for next year. Okay, another 5. So that'd be another 25. And then another 1, so just another 5. So I used up all my 5s, but that's okay. There we are. So that is the 52-week challenge for March. I just think it's fun to have it randomized. I wouldn't have known how much we were going to put in. So now I'm just going to stick this back in my box here and put these at the end so I know that they are done. Okay, next challenge in here is self-care challenge. So this is, and I should stick that to the side. This is for massages. So my boyfriend and I have decided that we want to do 2 couples massage this year. So we each have decided to put in $20. So I have 20 from him, 20 from me. So we're adding $40 into this envelope for the month. And this will let us build up enough for 2 massages throughout the year. So I do have a little tracker that I made on Canva, and I think, let me just grab a color and we can color in. Maybe I'll do green for March here. So I'm just going to color in 4 boxes here quickly. Okay, there we go. So almost halfway. The goal is $260, and then we'll do that, you know, like twice. But yeah, so now I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120 in this envelope, which is so exciting, just to see it build, and we'll be completing it in no time. Okay, so I'm gonna stick this back in my bin as well. All right, and then next we have holidays. So this is where this extra money is going to go towards. So let's count this first. I've got 20, 30, 40, 50, $60 remaining after my 52-week challenge, after the self-care massages. So this is what I'm going to do with the leftover. I've got 4 envelopes here for different holidays that I celebrate and like to have just a little bit of extra money. So the first one is Memorial Day weekend, and I've got 4th of July, Labor Day weekend, and Halloween. So the goal is $50 for each of these, and I have a little tracker. So let's start with Memorial Day weekend. And I made these little trackers on Canva and just like printed them out. So I did suns, which I think is cute. So I actually have enough to complete this one already, which I wasn't expecting. So 20, 30, 40, 50. That's the goal here. So look at that, already done. But I'm going to color this in still. I think it'd be fun to have that. So I'm going to do yellow and just quickly color in these suns. Look at that, already done. How exciting. So I'm gonna fold this up, put it back in the envelope, and then I probably need to label that this is completed. Well, that's one step at a time, I suppose. I'm just gonna fold this in. And maybe on the back, maybe I'll just put like, done. How exciting. So wasn't expecting to finish one already, but you never know how the rolling of the die is going to work out. It could have been that I only had $10 left. So I think this will be kind of fun too. So this is actually done, but I have $10 remaining. So that'll go into my 4th of July envelope here. And for this tracker, I did stars, super cute. So let's see, maybe I'll do, maybe I'll do red. We could do like red, white, blue or something. So let me color in 1 star for this $10. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to put both of these in my envelope. And next month, when I finish my 52-week challenge, any leftover money will start in 4th of July. And depending on how fast I finish all 4 of these, I may add in another thing or two. I'm not really sure. I just figured I'd get through these first, you know. Okay, so let's stick these back in my tin. There we are. And the last challenge I have is Saveopoly, but I don't have any cash left. I'm actually going to be playing Saveopoly and using the money that I accrue from this game in my taxable brokerage account. So I will just kind of explain how I'm going to do this, and I need to find my little marker. Hold on. Okay, we're going to use a paper clip to just like move my thing around, and I'm going to use the same numbers that were rolled. So I actually, let me do this. and I'm going to write down the values as we go through. I will link where I got this printable. It's from Etsy. It came with 3 different boards. 2 of them had numbers filled in, and then this was the blank one. So I filled in my own numbers, and the lowest amount that I could get on here is $1. The highest amount is 15, and that just felt like a good range for me. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what I rack up for March. So the first number was 1, so I'm starting at go. So 1 would be $2. Okay, and then I got a 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Electric company, so 2 times the dice rolled. So 2 times 5 is $10. Okay. Then I rolled another 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Community chest. Community chest is also 2 times the die roll. There was other instructions, but that would have put me over kind of that 15 threshold. So I changed the rule here. So 2 times 10, or 2 times 5 is 10 again. And then my last number that I rolled, we're moving 1, which would be $8. And I'm going to mark red 8 as the last spot we were on. Okay, so let's add this up. 10, 20, 28, $30. Very exciting. And then on the back of here, I can log this as well. So let me just fill this in quickly. So now what I'm going to do is pull up my phone again. And I'm going to open up my app where I can invest. I just got to be careful not to show like any personal information. Okay, so this is where I can put in $30. So, and there we go, all confirmed. So I just invested $30 into my Betterment taxable brokerage account from the Saveopoly game. So we will come back next month and roll some more numbers, play some more games, save some more money. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm just going to stick this back into my bin here, and that's going to do it for today. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know what savings challenges you are doing in the comment section below, and how I can kind of watch your progress. I just really like kind of the games and the ones that you don't know what you're going to end up with. I just think that that's really kind of exciting and satisfying. So that's all I have for today. Thank you again so much for tuning in, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.